Hi my dear, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. I'm happy being here after a long time. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this cute and quick button applique pattern. So let's start together. I'm going to wrap the yarn around the hook 20 times. The size of the Irish button changes depending on the thickness of the yarn and the number of wraps the yarn around the hook. Please wrap the yarn around the hook or pin. And then insert the hook into this circle like this. Grab the yarn, chain 1, then make a single crochet. Fill around the circle with single crochets. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch in first single crochet. So for crocheting next row, insert your hook into the same circle, then make a single crochet. Place your marker in first single crochet, then fill all around the circle with single crochets. At the end of the row, remove your marker, then make a slip stitch in first single crochet. So for crocheting next row, insert your hook into the previous stitch, then make a reverse single crochet, pull up loop, yarn over, pull through to insert your hook into the previous stitch, and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook into the previous stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. At the end, insert your hook into the first stitch, then make a slip stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn off. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Like and subscribe for more video tutorials. If you have any question, please leave me a comment. Thank you for looking. I upload new videos every week. Have a nice day. Bye.